Understanding Be the Odd One Out, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, be the odd one out. This expression is quite common in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English conversations and texts. So, let's explore what it means to be the odd one out, and how you can use this phrase in your own communication. To be the odd one out means to be different from the rest of a group in some way. This difference can be due to various reasons such as appearance, behavior, opinions, or abilities. The phrase often implies that there is something notable or unique about the person or thing that sets them apart from others. For example, if you're at a party where everyone is dressed formally and you're in casual clothes, you might feel like the odd one out. It's not just about physical appearance. It can also refer to having a different opinion in a group discussion or possessing a unique skill that others in the group do not have. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a family of artists, being interested in science made him the odd one out. 2. When everyone chose chocolate cake, Jane's preference for fruit salad made her the odd one out. 3. At the meeting, I felt like the odd one out because I was the only one who disagreed with the new policy. These examples show that being the odd one out can relate to preferences, interests, and even beliefs. Using be the odd one out in your conversation or writing is straightforward. You can use it to describe a situation where you or someone else feels different from the rest. Highlight a unique choice or preference. Express a sense of not belonging due to differing opinions or characteristics. Remember, the context can be positive, neutral, or negative, depending on how being different is perceived in that situation. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be the odd one out. It's a useful phrase that can add depth to your descriptions of people, situations, and feelings of belonging or difference. Remember, being the odd one out is not always a bad thing. It can also highlight uniqueness and individuality. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll find many opportunities to use this phrase in your English conversations and writings.